Giant bat from Philippines has been circulating around the internet like Twitter and Facebook. One of the most viral photos that has been created sensation on social media was the recent human-sized bat picture. The photo showcases a giant human-sized bat hanging upward down from a roof in the Philippines, which has now taken the internet by storm. Stay connected to my channel to find the truth behind it. Many internet users have deemed the photo that has been shared on the internet claiming the human-sized bat to be fake. Recently, a number of posts on the social media said that the post, which has been shared by Alex Joestar 622 in Twitter, is fake. According to the various fact-checking portals on the internet about the human-sized bat, we found that the human-sized bat actually exists in the real world. And there has been confusion about the exact species of the bat photographed. According to the fact-checking website and our findings, the photo is legitimate. And so the giant upside-down bat, which is the famous picture posted on Reddit in the month of August 2018, has been reshared in Facebook in May 2019. And in the month of June 2020, this picture is getting another wave of viral attention on Twitter and Facebook. The bat picture, which has been viral in internet, is believed to be a species of mega bat known as the giant golden crown flying fox. The bat's wingspan is indeed human-sized, which ranges from 1.5 meters to 1.7 meters. The body length of the giant golden crowned flying fox varies between 170 to 290 millimeters. So this bat can weigh only up to 1.2 kilograms, and actually this is very pretty light even though their size is big. This bat are herbivorous and their diet consists mainly of fruits like figs. However, it is not confirmed that the bat shown in the viral photo is indeed the giant golden crowned flying fox. There are around 79 bat species in Philippines, and of which 26 are mega bats. And the till now giant golden crowned flying fox is the largest bat which has been found so far. The giant golden crowned flying fox can have a wingspan of 5.5 feet. However, its body grows only about a foot in height. This makes the fruit-eating bat bigger than the regular bats, but definitely it is not human-sized as has been claimed in the viral tweets and posts. Instead, the trick photography was used to make the bat appear bigger than the actual is. The picture is an example of forced perspective photography, a photography technique which employs optical illusion to make the objects appear larger, smaller, closer, or farther away than they actually are. However, one of the Twitter user from Philippines confirmed that these bats are actually not human-sized, and they said that they have a wingspan of very width of more than 5 feet. And also he added these bats are only vegetarian and these bats are really gentle. Subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and click on the notification button for the next video.